It's Rude, reusers of unloved discarded excess, and it's Rude Girl and Rude Boy here, and Rude Boy picked up a Gainsbourough lock in the op shop, and it was $1. That's not bad value, and you have to put it into one of our doors, but you have to rekey the lock. Is that right?
Yeah, recode it. Yeah, you rekey it. So.
And you just happen to have worked out how to do that many years ago.
Yep.
So you save little spaces. Our key has to fit the new lock.
That's it.
And you have to rejig things to make that happen.
Spaces in. So that's not, it's just a bit time consuming.
Yes, well, a locksmith would just go bang, bang, bang.
Yes, to look at the key and know what was needed. I think that went in the right one.
And it's spaces and springs, is that right?
Yep.
And some of your springs have gone AWOL.
Yeah. So you went ping.
Sping. Thanks for sharing, Rude Boy.
It's alright. We've got to do stuff now.
Leave you alone. Well, Rude Boy, you finally got it in the door.
Yep.
And you rekeyed it, yeah?
Yep. It's locked.
Well done.
Doesn't move. And the top moves.
You're not only a mechanic, an electrician, you're a locksmith now.
There you go. And that's just what happens at the back. When you turn the key, all it does is move that. And of course you can open this side. No, you can't. You've got to turn that over.
For $1.
Yeah. And an hour and a half just changing this out, the lock.
Very clever. Thank you.
Bye.